Cartoons in Formula One. Who would have guessed that would be a thing? But yeah, this is a Choro-Q of a tuned version of the Toyota TF102 that raced around in 2002. So let's look at the deformation on this guy. Yeah, the front wing is definitely not raised like in this photograph. But the sponsorship's matching up pretty well. This little red paintbrush kind of paint effect there. This panel's different too. Panasonic. At least they got this big light here. Alright. Okay. Well, let's see up close more of this deformation. First thing is the wheels. They are the mesh wheels and they are painted silver, so that's nice. They are blanked off though. This is a toy. It's a pullback toy. Okay. On the bottom, in Japanese, I assume that says something related to the car, but I don't know. This is when it was made, so that's a good hint that this is a 2002 F1 car. Screw in the front, tab in the back, maybe it's that, I don't know. They are rubber tires because it's a wind-up toy. So the side sponsorship here, Panasonic looks good. This Denso, Toyota, all that stuff is tampo printed. There's no decals on this thing. Even down here, they got a little tampo printing wrapping around the base. On even the side of the wing as well. Yeah, okay. More tampo printing. Quite a bit, actually. And it's cool that there's a little driver helmet in there. It's so far forward. It's really weird. Like, the head is almost over, over the front tire. But in the reality, it's like way in the mid. Alright. Oh, look at this. That's a real vent. That's cool. Alright. Nope. That would have been cool if that was a vent too, right, going through. It seems to be a double-decker wing, and there's air passing through there. So, some 4 struts, and nice printing on the back. So, yeah, quite unique. Alright, let's look at some other F1 cars. So here's the only other F1 car I'm aware of. There's no online resource chronicling all the molds that ChoroQ has done, but this is a Ferrari 312 that raced in 1978. This toy is from probably 1984, and it's a different deformation. The wheelbase is much longer, but it also has a driver. So, alright, racing around in 1987 is this 99T. I think this is a Lotus. And this is from some sort of Ayrton Senna cartoon collection. Actually running the same year in that same toy collection is the McLaren MP45B. So actually I should put that right next to it. And then kind of close, there's a Williams F1 cartoon collection, and this is the FW14B that raced in 1992. Alright, so yeah, it's they're definitely weird looking toys, right? Just the back ends of them are so plain, it's kind of ridiculous, but it's interesting they would make all these different molds though, right? And for some reason, this collection, the Williams collection, doesn't have any helmets in there, but the back ends are so plain. Oh well, I think a lot of these were freebies. Basically, the ones that aren't ChoroQs, I think, came free with like beverages, so that's understandable. And so I guess maybe that's why the ChoroQ looks better, because it was actually sold as a product, not as a free promotional item. Alright, well, we'll have to see if I can find any more deformed F1 cars. I simply don't know of any others, except for maybe anything I might have to complete this Ayrton Senna collection. I don't think that collection is complete. Thank you for watching today. We'll see you in the next video. Deformed, that is. Bye.